the people. No, you must listen to the people before you go. No, you must listen to the people. No, they're going to mutaure. And I hate you, it's okay. It's okay, but don't force them. No, you can don't give me a chance to speak. That's my point. They'll give you a chance to speak. Don't be arrogant to the people. No, I am sitting down. Allow them to speak. They'll tell you when to speak. They'll tell you when to speak. They'll tell you when to speak.